Let us look at these 5 questions. So you're asked to find d by dx of sine of x cube. Sine of x cube. Obviously you can see that sine of x cube is a composite function. That is sine of x cube. F of g of x. So whenever you have a composite function, we use chain rule or stuff rule. So how does stuff rule work? This is sine of something. This is something which is inside sine. So d by dx of sine of something is cos of something into the differentiation of this something. We know that sine x differentiation is cos x. So sine something's differentiation is cos something into something's differentiation. And in the place of something, you just need to put x cube here and here. So that is equal to cos x cube is by itself into what is the differentiation of x cube. The differentiation of x cube is 3x square. Right? Now we will go to this. Here you have d by dx of cos cube x this time. This is not cos x cube. This is cos x whole cube. This is d by dx of cos x whole cube. Now this is also a composite function. Cube of cos x. If you read it, cube of cos x. So d by dx of cos x cube. This is something whole cube, right? If you take cos x as something, this is something whole cube. So what is the differentiation of something whole cube? 3 times something whole square times the differentiation of this something. So here something is cos x. So I'll put it here and here. So that is equal to 3 times cos square x into the differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So the answer is minus 3 cos square x sin x. That's the differentiation of cos cube x. So next you have differentiation of tan of root x. Tan of root x. So we know that the differentiation of tan of something is secant square of something. So you have secant square of something into the differentiation of this something. And in the place of something you have root x here and here. So secant square x, secant square of root x is by itself into the differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So secant square root x into 1 by 2 root x is the differentiation. D by dx of root of ax square plus bx plus c. Root of something. So if you take this as something, you have to start from the outermost function to the innermost function. So root is the outermost function. Root of something. So what is the differentiation of root of something? 1 by 2 root something into the differentiation of this something. What is in the place of something? Ax square plus bx plus c. Here also ax square plus bx plus c. So this is all by itself. So 1 by 2 root ax square plus bx plus c times what is the differentiation of ax square plus bx plus c? We have 2ax plus b. 2ax plus b. A is a constant, x square is having a differentiation of 2x. B is a constant, x's differentiation is 1. C is a constant, so its differentiation is 0. Next, you have d by dx of sine 3x times cos 5x. So this is a product of two functions. So you can use your product rule. So sine 3x times cos 5x's differentiation plus sine 3x's differentiation times cos 5x. So that is equal to, so sine 3x times cos 5x, cos of something's differentiation is minus sine something into differentiation of something. So minus sine 5x times 5x's differentiation is 5 plus sine 3x differentiation is cos 3x times 3x's differentiation is 3 times cos 5x. That is equal to minus 5 sin 3x sin 5x plus 3 cos 3x cos 5x. So this will be the differentiation of sin 3x cos 5x.